All right, this car is equipped with a aftermarket auto start that I had installed by Street Sounds here in Fairbanks, Alaska about 2 years ago. It's a Viper auto start, and since it is a stick shift, it does have a bit of a procedure for safety to arm the auto start. So first step is to make sure you're in neutral. Second step, put your foot on the brake. Third step, pull the handbrake. And then you push the start button on the auto start. Lights will flash. Turn the key off. Car is still running. And once you're outside the car, then you push the lock button. And then you'll see this little stick shift indicator, meaning that the car is armed and ready to start. So then you can push the start button. Bam! Definitely a necessity in Alaska. I don't know in other states if this matters. It could be hot, and you could run the AC in the summer, which would be pretty nice. It does have the two-way remote. It's got about a mile range. It gives you temperature as well as the run time. And then I do have a second set or a second fob. That's just the one-way remote. But yeah, pretty simple. And unlock it. Hop in the car. And even when it's still running, you just turn the key and you're ready to go. That's it.